Hey guys, in this video I will be making a weaving loom in an eco-friendly way using things that can be found at home. To make a loom you will need the following: a piece of cardboard, some yarn, a marker or pen, a pair of scissors, a ruler, and let's get started now. Grab the ruler and a pen and then start tracing a 2 cm line at the top of the loom and also at the bottom. Now mark each centimeter of the first line and repeat this also at the bottom. Now it's time to connect the both ends following this method. Now I'm ready to start making the notches using a pair of scissors, and I will also repeat this on the other side. Now grab your chosen yarn for warping. It's important to keep the tension tight. However, because this is a cardboard loom, don't use too much force, otherwise the cardboard will tear. Now it's time to add the other yarn and make a knot. And if it's not tight enough, make another knot near the notch. And then you can just keep carrying on with the warping like before. You can get really creative using different color combinations in the warping. It will give a really nice effect when introducing other yarns for the weft. Now the warping is almost complete. Leave around 4 cm of yarn and then cut. You can also secure this with a piece of tape, but actually even if you don't include it, the warping will stay. Now the loom is ready to weave.